Get excited about the prospect of making money from the comfort of your home in 2024 because I'm about to unveil a fantastic opportunity in this presentation where I'll introduce you to a platform where you can watch videos. It can help you earn money online. First step, we will start by navigating to a new website called rewardy.io, which is a platform where you can watch videos. An earn money user typically earn over $6 per day, totaling over 500,000 distributed with over 800,000 registered users. It also has a strong 4.5-star rating on Trustpilot, a website review platform that ensures its reliability. Does it work? Create a free account first. Then, by engaging in activities like listening to music, playing games, watching videos, and completing surveys, once you've accumulated enough points, exchange them for real money via cryptocurrency, PayPal, or gift cards. Collect points. This is a simple way to earn extra money online. Now let's go to the initial step of setting up your account and click on the register button and enter the email address and password of your chosen username. Your humanity, confirm and agree to the terms and conditions, or sign up directly using your Gmail or Twitch accounts. After you access your website control center from your dashboard, the best part is that you can review your earnings using different methods tailored to your country, with option displayed based on your region. Even if PayPal is not available to you, there are alternatives like direct bank transfers, plus you only need $2 to cash into your bank. And secondly, as soon as you're on your dashboard, just click on the earn option. Click to the redirected to the page where you will find different ways to earn money online, including completing the offers of playing games, watching videos, streamed listening to music, watching videos, clips, and more. But today our focus is on earning money by watching videos. So choose the option to watch streams from here. The good news is that you don't need a Twitch account to watch these streams. Even if you don't, you can still watch Twitch streaming videos here and earn money online. You'll have a wide range of videos available to watch. Many of them had games, videos such as GTA 5, League of Legends, and Minecraft. You're also earning. You'll see that you'll earn points for every minute you spend watching a video. Sometimes this rate depends on where you live. Generally, the more developed your country is, you can get up to 3 increase in dollars per minute. Here are a few extra tips to help you get started by lowering the video quality to the lowest setting in the setting menu to save internet data and still get rewards. Second, open multiple video simultaneously in separate tabs. To maximize your earnings, you can potentially earn up to $30 per minute with 10 videos open at the same time for short views. Install to the popular live streaming app Video clips on your mobile device, username, login, and start watching. Earn $1 to $10 points every 5 minutes. Earnings will be added directly to your account on the website. In addition, you will receive a ticket every 5 minutes that can increase your income. If you are interested in explore other income opportunities, consider using the World Radio Music app to listen to music, where you can earn $1 to $10 points every 10 minutes. Plus, you can earn extra cash by completing various offers. Play games or take a survey. Simply visit the complete offers section, where you will find special offer providers and survey providers. For example, you can install game apps like Flappy Bird and by playing games. Your next option, it is located here in the offer providers area. You will come across a variety of opportunity to earn money online. Providers offer ways to earn money by watching videos. For example, choosing ads and media, introducing different programs that you can install to earn money. Platforms where you can earn money by watching different videos. Ads on media not only offer videos, viewing prospects, but also facilitates monetization by completing survey registrations on various platforms and downloading apps on your mobile device. Option for the mobile app segments. Apps and games you can download to your device to earn money online. In addition, you can specify your device type, such as Android or iPad, your iPhone, to access apps tailored to your device by navigating to the Lootability platform. From the point to install to earn, Lootability probably has a wide catalog packed with thousands of apps waiting for you to explore. As you scroll down the steady stream of apps with unfold in front of you, what's particularly impressive is the flexibility it offers. If you don't want to install random apps, choose people who are already in your circle of acquaintances, or indulge in exciting game plans and in the war makes earning and enjoyable experience in this diverse collection of games, including genre like basketball, farming, racing, and beyond. An opportunity to earn ACR points with every interaction and more. At the top of this platform, you will come across an attractive option to watch videos and increase your earnings. A simple click of the videos will show you an array of categories that cover areas such as food and gaming. By selecting the category you want with a simple tap, the clock shows. The video's bottom starts the genre. For example, if gaming videos resonate with your interest, a quick tap on the related videos button will catapult you into territory and lot. TV here is an announcement to sign up, awaiting your arrival as soon as you are dedicated in the loot territory. Your account TV integrates seamlessly with your main website account, ensuring that the seamless monetization experience of every moment spent watching gaming videos is converted into cash profit, seamlessly transferred to your main website account. And now it's off the final nighter and cashing out your hard-earned reward before clicking on the many withdrawals option to give up your earnings. The choices is to take the normal withdrawal route. Choose cash via cryptocurrencies such as Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a direct route to your PayPal account. Alternatively, explore the realm of gift cards with options ranging from Visa and Amazon gift cards to Roblox, giving you a personalized approach to have your withdrawal method.